Did you know that you can use foods to keep your face healthy and spotless? See what you must add to your menu to get the perfect skin. A healthy and balanced diet is one of the main things that makes beautiful, spotless skin without acne, wrinkles, and fine lines. Did you know that? Collagen, flavonoids, zinc, fiber, and vitamins C and B12 are some compounds that stimulate a skin detox, lessening liquid retention, improving blood circulation, and reducing inflammation. One of the benefits of foods with these nutrients is lessening cellulitis, an inflammatory lesion on the subcutaneous adipose tissues. Drinking plenty of water is also essential according to researchers. See what foods must be on your plate to get perfect skin. Pineapple. It contains enzymes such as bromelain, which favor digestion and also has diuretic and anti-inflammatory action. Oat aids in the good functioning of the intestines since it is rich in fiber and contains silica, which participates in collagen formation. Broccoli and collard greens, sources of antioxidants that fight free radicals, substances that accelerate cell aging. They are also rich in vitamin C, a protector of collagen fibers. Brazil nut, source of vitamin E and selenium, an important antioxidant that prevents cell aging. Legumes, beans, lentils, chickpeas, rich in iron which aids the transport of oxygen in blood. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Apple, source of pectin, a fiber that helps eliminate impurities from the body. Watermelon, it has a diuretic action and favors the functioning of the lymphatic system. Also contains potassium, which reduces fluid retention. Omega-3 fish, sardine, cod, salmon, improve blood circulation and fights inflammatory reactions. Probiotics favor the adequate functioning of the intestine and eliminate impurities. Red grapes, they contain polyphenols and tannins, which favor microcirculation, protecting the blood vessels and fighting free radicals. Flavonoids also protect the vitamins and enzymes, ensuring the good functioning of our body. As you can see, it is necessary to invest in foods that contain the nutrients that keep our cells and tissues healthy. Add these foods to your diet if you want to keep your skin beautiful and healthy. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.